Yeah, so it's a little bit after 4 o'clock, like around 4:30 on the walking street. I have to use my umbrella right now. Um, yeah, so just got out of the mega dance. I could walk towards the mega dance a little bit. So yeah, this is it seems like to be honest with you, I mean tonight was pretty good. Friday night, I seen uh, that there was some decent looking girls in there, more than I see on a weekday, which is I guess typical because it's Friday and Saturday is probably the popular days. Um, so nothing unusual there. Yeah, so uh, good head maybe towards the Phillies. See, I don't know if there's anything going on in front of the Phillies right now. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit too late and it's raining. Uh, yeah, nothing really going on over here. I'll walk around this side since I haven't been to switch it up. Probably not much going on back here though. That's the only thing. I'm kind of hesitant. I'm kind of hesitant to actually walk back here. So let me just go this way. Yeah, it seems like a lot of girls in there. It's a little bit tricky because a lot of girls are in the VIP section. They're in the VIP section, and some girls just like work there. They're like models and stuff, and they're in like the VIP sections. So it's kind of tricky. And then there's girls on the dance floor, and a lot of it, like you don't really know if the which ones are working that night. So the only reason, I mean, the only way that you would be able to tell is, I guess, just ask them. But they look pretty preoccupied. Like, how do I explain it? Like, they have someplace to go, like they have someplace to be. Maybe they're just there to party or something, or they're happy with their salary that they got, and they just want to go home. So yeah. So that's what it kind of like. That's like the vibe I get. So yeah, it's a little bit. It could be a little bit intimidating, sometimes. the mega dance, and a lot of them they want high prices, So the elite club, I mean that's Bakara. I mean this is the elite over here. That's the place. That's like the after party after the mega dance. That's if you really want to stay out late. Like I think that goes from like some people usually get out I think the mega dance closes at like 5 o'clock. So I think that place goes from like 4 or 5 o'clock to I don't know, like at least 9 or something like that. Maybe later, I'm not sure. But yeah, I would say like the only thing that you could possibly do. I've I've sat in the mega dance a lot and observed and stuff like that, and if I've I've come to the conclusion that you know it's going to be a waste of time trying to chat a girl up. So you might as well just kind of get down to business. As quick as possible. Ask them what they would go for, and there's no harm in asking that, because that's pretty much what they're there for. So I just walked back through the walking street, and I'm just gonna go down to Santos because it's a more interesting walk. Yeah, so like I was saying, there's no use chatting these girls up. They're business cookies. These girls are all about just getting down to business, and there's no harm. I mean, of course, if that's your style, if you want to do it, that's fine. If like you want to chat them up, flirt, whatever. But at the end of the day, they're cookies, and their bottom line is, they're looking for a customer. Customer nah. So there's no harm, in my opinion, there's no harm in just going up to them and asking them. And ask them, the actual question that you want to know. It can be tricky sometimes. A lot of girls, they're in their VIP sections, and they're at their own tables with their girlfriends, or they could be preoccupied dancing, and it looks like they just want to have a fun time, and they don't want to be bothered, which may be the case, and that's what can be a little bit intimidating about it. These girls, they just look like they want to dance and just have fun. Yeah, for me, I would just go up to them and just get straight to business. I think you would have more success that way, because at least you could know if they're available or not. So then you could move on to the next one instead of wasting your time. Yeah, so like it's just so you don't waste your time. You know, there's a lot of girls in there, and one not be, might not be your type. You know, so when when you're talking to them, or they might not be into it, so you kind of just have to go with speed and try to get the right girl in there. I mean, at the end of the day, it is a business and it's different. I would say it's very different from other nightclubs, Angeles City nightclubs, especially Mega Dance is very different. And I'm no expert at the Mega Dance, you know, nightclubs or anything like that. I don't have game, so that's just me kind of making a observation after going to the Mega Dance lots of times. This is what I notice.